Hi, this is Jim Sackman, your Focal Point Business Coach, and this is of another of our Success Friday videos. This time we're talking about how to make your business plans live. And to make them live, this means to me that you're using your business plan to manage your business. And many people outline them or even write them down and then leave them in a drawer. So how do you make them live in your business? And I want to go back to the success I've had with this and give you some thoughts around that. So when I worked for AFC, we decided to sell the company. And we took many steps along the way, some of which worked, some of which did not, in trying to sell the company. Now, we were doing this to try to make our shareholders get the best outcome they could based on changes in our industry. But it took quite a number of years and a lot of concerted effort across multiple strategies to make this work. So, how does it help you? What is the most important thing you can do? And that is to define metrics along the way that you measure and periodically review. Now, AFC was a public company and we did it quarterly. Some small businesses do it monthly, but quarterly is just fine. But it's got to be on an ongoing basis, it's got to be built into your business. Now, normally you're going to have three financial metrics that you measure regularly. That's revenue, gross margin, and net margin. But there's needs to be other things to measure as well, and those are what are called KPIs or key performance indicators. And key performance indicators are measures of business activity. So before you get to revenue, what is the activity you're going to do? What post revenue, whatever it is, whatever is important, whatever drives bottom line results in your business, what are those activities that you do that make the bottom line work? Now, a lot of business owners that I talk to struggle with this, and so this is a good time. We're coming up on a holiday to really think about those things that you do in your business that drive the bottom line. Alternatively, you may want to hire a coach or consultant to help you deal with these things, to come up with the answers. And then finally, you want to create what I would call a stop and go chart. And by that I mean it's a 3-level metric. So green is good, red is a call for change, and yellow is caution. So there ought to be some middle ground where things work into and out of. That way you're not always tripping over a green red line, because it's things aren't linear, things go up and down, and so you want to have some buffer there. So you want to have green is good. If you're above the green line all the time, things are going to be good. Red is bad, you've got to change what you're doing, and yellow is caution. So no more than 2 or 3 of those things, otherwise they get diluted and the process gets overwhelmed with trying to measure too many not as important things. So this is Jim Sackman from Focal Point. Change your business, change your life. Have a great day.